Guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First you open a Facebook account, then go to profile icon, then go to setting, then scroll down and you see this option access and control. Go to this option and you see this option deactivation and deletion, and press this. And if you want to deactivate account, you press this, and if you want to delete your account permanent, you read this disclaimer: deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retract the content or your messenger, and all of your messages will also be deleted. Press this button, continue to account deletion, and continue, and you select any reason and continue to account deletion. Hopefully this video is helpful for you, and thank you.